have this trait, what is the first organism I should place at the top of my chart? Oh, we're not into the dominant one yet. That's next week. So the first one is going to be great. Thanks, Malik. Awesome. Is the shark, because the shark has has a vertebrae, and every other organism has a vertebrae, right? But if you look at your chart again, the shark has no other common characteristics with the other organisms. So I can't place a shark anywhere else in my cladogram, right? So what else can we place next to that shark? If we're comparing the characteristics, what else can we place next to the shark that have the common characteristics? Good. I see tuna. Awesome. All right. So these are not in any order because I just want you all to see these are not correct. So I'm going to get to the part where it says the character traits. And we said the shark and the tuna both have a vertebrae, right? So we see the shark with the longest line, and it relates to every other organism because they all have vertebrae. So shark is done. Now we have a tuna. Look at the characteristics for a tuna. What other organism has the same or similar characteristics as a tuna does? As the tuna. Look at your chart. What do the other organisms have that are similar to the tuna? Good, a bony skeleton, right? So what organism can I place next to that tuna that also has a bony skeleton and a vertebrae? Someone said human. Alligator, frog. I agree with the frog. So if Anthony come off of mute and tell me why did you say frog?
I said the frog have a bony
Good. And all right, so they have 4 limbs.
Are you both kind of live the same way?
Right. All right. So, all right, you already looked on the next one. So yes, the rest of the animals, we have frog, bird, rabbit, alligator, and human. As a race, they have 4 limbs. What is the next organism I could place in my chart that has 4 limbs, a bony skeleton, and a vertebrae? What Malik Anthony said was he chose frog because it has a bony skeleton, has a vertebrae, and the tuna and frog have like the same living habitat. All right, I see alligator. All right. All right, why did you say the egg? Talking to me? No. All right. Branch.
Because I said the egg because I think
Why did you say it?
I said it because it means that
Did you look at the character traits, the characteristics, and think about what was next? I mean, you are right. For the next character trait, it is the amniotic egg. That your classmates were giving me the organism that was next as it relates to its relationship on the cladogram. And so far, everyone has said bird, the alligator. So, this is the fun part. Now, which one, between human, rabbit, bird, or alligator, they all have a vertebrae, bony skeleton, forelimbs, and come out of the egg? Or is it all four? When you're in your mother's womb, it's okay. When you're in your mother's womb, you're in an egg sac. So, great. So now that we know it's all four, we have to separate them based upon the other two characteristics left. So, let's say we chose hair. Which two organisms out the four have hair? Human and what else? Great. So that's where we're going to place the other two organisms because they both have hair, they come from an egg, four limbs, a bony skeleton, and they have a vertebrae. So by default, we have the other two that you have said. A bird has feathers, not hair. Okay? Okay. And our last characteristic that we should have in common is what? Look at your characteristics. Which one have we not said? It's the last one. Thanks, Malik. Anthony. The skull with two extra openings. Great. So in your notes, you're going to answer, I think it's 2 more questions about the cladogram, and that'll be it for today. And I can post this as a reference in Google Classroom if you're still working.